Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and salam sejahtera. I am Muhammad Amar bin Shahrizal.
And I am Nur Inara Milia binti Muhammad Sahizam. Today we want to introduce a fun mathematics learning innovation called Seindah Can Game 2.0.
Seindah Can Game 2.0 is an interactive educational game that use recycled cans and popsicle stick containing multiplication tables question.
Even more exciting, students can scan a QR code to view the answer, memorization technique, maths, comic, and multiplication song video.
Let's take a look at how to play.
Step 1. The student pick a popsicle stick from inside the can.
For example, I got the question 6 multiplied 9.
Step 2. Read the multiplication question clearly before answering.
My answer is 15.4.
Great! Step 3. The student needs to scratch off the scratch sticker on the back of the popsicle stick to reveal the correct answer. The reward will be given by the teacher if the revealed answer is correct.
Now, let's verify our answer by scanning the QR code using a phone or tablet. The QR code displays the correct answer along with memorization techniques, math, comics, and multiplication videos to help students learn more easily.
Next, what's even more exciting is that students can use an additional QR code attached to the multiplication can to play an interactive game called Rocket Multiplication Adventure. There are 5 levels in this game. Students can test their multiplication speed and accuracy across every level. The more points you collect, the closer you get to becoming a multiplication champion.
Seindah Can Game 2.0 makes learning multiplication table more fun, interactive, and effective.
Let's learn while playing with Seindah Can Game 2.0. Thank you.
Bye.